Good afternoon, what is up? So today I'm just going to come with a little bit of a cheap trick that I've got for you. I know like this isn't super high tech, but anybody who knows I'm using the Thule rack. Okay, so it's just cheap alternatives, some higher dollar stuff, and it just works, right? So I showed you the other mod that I have done to this already. So this is just another kind of quickie mod for this setup that you can use, and it ended up I had to have to do this when I first bought this set, because what happened was the first set of bars I bought, all of them were in technically the unlocked position, so you could turn the handle, but one of them wasn't. It was locked, so the handle was just spinning. Well, I didn't have the key. I wanted to be able to use it. So what you can do in that particular instance, take the knob off of the rack. There are screws on the back of this knob. Okay, so you take the screws off. Show you that real quick. Okay, and if you had a broken lock or something like that, this would also come in handy. All right, these are not super complex devices. Take these 3 screws off of the back of this bad boy. This piece comes out. No, it doesn't have it. There's supposed to be a little spring lock right there. Oh yeah, it fell out. There's a little spring that sits right in there. Here's your lock, and it's got a little E-clip on there, so you'll just want to pull that E-clip off. There's the clip off of there. Okay. So there's your lock cylinder, comes out. You could just flip it over, put it back in, and that puts it in the unlocked position. Okay, but what we're doing here is, you can see that it's got a key number on it. Thule does all their keys. You've got a key number. What I want to do is use my other key number on this one. Okay, so what goes on, I'll put my key in here, and you can see that that clearly isn't going to work. We've got these tabs sticking up here. These little slots are what actually like move up and down when you put the key inside. Okay, so you just can rearrange these to make them fit, or I'll show you what I'm going to do here. I'll put the key that I want to use in here like that, so you can see what goes on is these are still sticking up a tiny bit, and I got to put it in the lock here. She's a no-go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shave these tabs down real quick, and then we'll work. So this is what she looks like all done up. After you get that, you want to blast it out with some air. A little bit of graphite lube, key lock lube. Okay. After that, your E-clip will go back on. Stick it in here like that. Okay, E-clip's on. This piece sits down in there, like that. And then this guy goes back on. Simple as that. You can see that's the 184 lock. 164 key. Here's my 184 key. No longer works in there. So just some quick and easy solutions. That's kind of what this channel is about. Trying to help you get started doing this, not be afraid to take these steps. You can save a buck here and there, you know, like this isn't a super high security thing. It's just kind of like a little quick mini mod. So hopefully you can, hopefully that helps you out. Hopefully that can solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Peace.